Welcome ladies and gentlemen in another video about my journey in trying to build the most space-efficient non-permanent conversion kit for vans. And today we are actually already assembling the last module of the first digital fabricated conversion kit. And so this is pretty exciting, but this is a fairly easy or simple module. So when this is assembled and put in there, we will also take a look at the water supply system for this conversion. So let's get started. And now there's just one issue, because when I designed this was actually the second module I designed and built. I didn't think of putting in the finger joints in this edge to connect this last module to this one. So I need to make this manually now. But I need to figure out where the finger joints actually need to be. Well, that's it. I'm not too happy, unfortunately, because the fit is not perfect. The back and the front are coming not together as precise as I've hoped, but luckily it still works, and this is something that I already know how to improve if I do it again, still is progress, and this is, I think, the most important. Well, so at first we have to check if this still folds up. That's nice. Clears all the edges just like it's planned. That's awesome. Nice. And then let's start here in the front with the water supply. As you already know, we have a sink over here, and I finally got the water canisters, and this should fit in here. And there's actually a lot of room left, so you are not dedicated to this exact canister, but you can use many other ones as well. And it gets tied down, so when you brake, it obviously wants to fall to the front, and we don't like this, so we can use a strap, and therefore there are these two slots milled in here. We can put this through just like this, then probably through the handle. This can't go anywhere. This is pretty secure, and you have a perfectly nice water storage above the sink, so you can wash your hands or some fruits or anything you need. I think this is very nice. This water canister even has a hole in the top that you can open so it can soak air. So if you open this over here and the water drains out, this would cause a vacuum in the top, and this would prevent the water from flowing properly. So you can open this little hole in the top to let air inside. That makes it a lot nicer to use. So as we talked about already, here in the back is another space for water storage, and I finally got the water tank for this as well. And here this one gets fixed in place just the same like the other one with the strap. Well, this won't be the strap I will use in the end because it doesn't have the right color and is way too long, but well, I've already ordered the other ones. And like this is secured in place. There happens nothing. And with this one as well as in the front, there's a little space left around, so you're not dedicated to exactly this water canister if you want to use a different one. But to actually use it right now, it's pretty useless. You just loosen this a little, pull this to the front, and then you can use it. And you mainly need this so it doesn't slide out when you open the hatchback when you're parked on a tilted surface or so. Well, and then like this, it's back secured so nothing happens. This one, of course, just like the one in the front, has a hole in the top as well to let air in when you drown the water down here, so it doesn't pull a vacuum. This one fits 18 liters of water, the front 10 liters, so that makes 28 liters overall, and this is enough for a few days for 2 people for cooking and drinking. And well, by using these canisters, it's pretty easy to fill them up. You can just walk on a graveyard to fill them with water, or anywhere where you can get water basically. So this makes it really easy to fill up basically anywhere. And this is why we don't need such a big storage. Also, a lot of water, gains a lot of weight, which is not nice to drive around. And well, it gets old, so we are pretty happy with this solution, and I was basically never annoyed of filling it back up because it's only, I don't know, once a week, sometimes maybe twice a week, as you probably drink something somewhere else as well. So this is really okay, and by using these canisters in a height that you can just drown them by gravity, this eliminates any pumps or cables, so you don't need energy to actually use your water. And this eliminates weight. Of course, the pump and the pipes and everything weighs a lot, and of course also money, as well it also costs a lot, and this is a lot cheaper. In my opinion, really very handy, as you can easily fill your water up. Just take it with you, fill it up, put it back in the car. And so for me at least, this is the ideal solution, but I'm curious to hear what you think about it. Well, I'm kind of happy with the outcome. Of course, I will improve a little bit the fit in the next version, but other than that, it fits and works, and this is the most important, I guess. So I'm happy, and I'm really curious to hear what you think about all of this. And in the next video, I'll probably care about the bed finally. There were already questions about it, how I will solve this. But so if you want to see this, stay tuned. I'm really interested in your comments. So thanks for watching, good luck with your projects, and see you in the next one.